we haven't had any snow in a while, but I did want to do a video showing you guys plowing at night to sort of just show how bright the LED headlights on the 4500 are, and with the additional rear work lights aimed forward. So it's not really a lot of snow to justify to really plow, but I did want to make a video just to show you guys how well this lights up the night. So this thing hasn't been started in probably over a month now. So I'm going to go ahead before we start and just see how this thing ends up starting sitting. So it's about 30 degrees back here, about what it's been staying, so we'll see how it does.
Well, it started a little harder than I expected it to, but for sitting as long as it has been and how cold it's been, compared to the older diesels, I really can't complain. I'd say it still fires pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and let this warm up, and then we'll set the camera up and we'll see how this looks at night.
beneficial to plow the driveway tonight. There really wasn't enough snow to plow. Plus, come Friday, it's supposed to be close to 50 and rain anyway, so it's all gonna be gone. But before the season was done, I did want to get a video of this thing with the LED lights plowing snow, just to show, you know, how bright they are. Try to give you guys a decent video to different angles if I could. Now, a lot of the guys that do snow plowing, that already have the cab, with the cab enclosure, the lights are all options that, you know, most people go with, so it's not a big deal. But for an open station like myself, any extra light you can get really helps out. Felt good to get back on this. I haven't been on it for a while, to run it around. Really enjoy running this 4500, great machine. I'm going to try to do some more videos this summer, tough cutting, other kind of stuff like that, cutting grass, and I'll try to throw some more videos of nighttime use with the LED lights. Hope this helped anyone. Thanks for watching.